Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Emma and Leo.
And I am Leo. I am learning English.
Yes, and you, dear listener, you can learn with us too.
Let's learn together.
Let's start with greetings. Simple words we use to say hello and goodbye.
Greetings. Okay.
Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Again. Hello.
Hello.
Good. Now, hi.
Hi.
Hi is friendly. You can say it to friends.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Leo. Now, to say goodbye, we say bye.
Bye.
Try it, dear listener. Say bye. Good. Another way, good morning.
Good morning.
We say good morning before 12 o'clock.
Morning means before noon.
Yes. After 12, we can say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And in the evening, we say good evening.
Good evening.
When we go to bed, we say good night.
Good night.
Let's review. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and bye.
That's a lot.
Let's practice together. Leo, hello.
Hello, Emma. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Great job, everyone. Practice your greetings every day. Now, let's learn numbers.
Numbers. Okay.
Repeat after me slowly. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5,
Good. Let's keep going. 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Very good. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! I can count to 10.
Yes, you can. Now, let's practice. Leo, how many fingers do you have?
10 fingers.
That's right. How many eyes?
2 eyes.
Good. And how many noses?
1 nose.
Yes, one nose. Great. Now, let's count backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Backward counting.
Yes, practice makes perfect. Now let's talk about the days of the week.
7 days, right?
Yes, 7 days in 1 week. Repeat after me slowly. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday,
Great. Let's say them all together. Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Nice.
Now some practice. Leo, what day is today?
Today is Monday.
Good. And tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Perfect. What day do you like best?
I like Sunday. I can sleep.
I like Saturday. Listeners, what day do you like? Say it out loud. Good. Let's sing it a little. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Fun. I will remember that.
Let's learn some common objects, things we see every day.
Okay.
Repeat after me. Table,
Table,
chair,
chair,
book,
book,
pen,
pen,
bag,
bag,
phone,
phone,
cup.
cup.
Great! Let's use them in sentences. This is a book.
This is a book.
That is a chair.
That is a chair.
This is my phone.
This is my phone.
Leo, what is this?
That is a pen.
Good. What is that?
That is a table.
Excellent. Let's play a game. I say a word, you point at it.
Okay?
Cup,
Cup.
book,
Book.
chair.
Chair. I pointed.
Great. Repeat. Table, chair, book, pen, bag, phone, cup.
Table, chair, book, pen, bag, phone, cup.
Perfect. Now, let's learn about food and drinks.
I love food.
Me too. Okay, repeat after me. Apple,
Apple,
banana,
banana,
rice,
rice,
bread,
bread,
milk,
milk,
water,
water,
coffee,
coffee,
tea.
tea.
Great. Now let's make small sentences. I like apples.
I like apples.
I like rice.
I like rice.
I don't like coffee.
I like coffee.
Okay. Leo, what do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea.
And in the afternoon?
I drink water.
Perfect. Listeners, what do you drink? Say it aloud. Good job! Let's review. Apple, banana, rice, bread, milk, water, coffee, tea.
Apple, banana, rice, bread, milk, water, coffee, tea.
Nice and clear. Now, let's talk about daily activities, things we do every day.
Okay. Daily life.
Repeat after me. Wake up,
Wake up.
brush teeth,
Brush teeth.
eat breakfast,
Eat breakfast.
go to work,
Go to work.
study English,
Study English.
eat lunch,
Eat lunch.
go home,
Go home.
eat dinner,
Eat dinner.
sleep.
Sleep.
Great! Let's make small sentences. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 8.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth too.
I eat breakfast.
I eat bread for breakfast.
Good sentence. Then I go to work.
I go to school.
Nice. I eat lunch at 12.
I eat lunch at 1.
Then I go home.
I go home at 5.
Then I eat dinner.
I eat rice for dinner.
Yummy. Then we sleep. Let's say the full day together. Wake
up.
up. Brush teeth.
Eat breakfast. Go to work or school. Eat lunch. Go home.
Eat dinner. Sleep.
Sleep.
Great. Now, dear listener, repeat with us. Okay, let's do a short practice together.
Practice time.
Leo, what day is today?
Today is Friday.
What do you do on Friday?
I study English.
Good. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and drink tea.
Yum. What do you drink at night?
I drink water.
Very healthy. Let's count. How many meals do you eat?
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, 3.
Correct. 3 meals. What is this? Pretends to hold a pen.
A pen.
And that points far.
A chair.
Perfect. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
Great. Now, let's review everything we learned today.
Okay.
First, greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, bye.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Bye.
Numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Objects: table, chair, book, pen, bag, phone, cup.
Table, chair, book, pen, bag, phone, cup.
Food and drinks: apple, banana, rice, bread, milk, water, coffee, tea.
Apple, banana, rice, bread, milk, water, coffee, tea.
Daily activities: wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, go home, eat dinner, sleep.
Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, go home, eat dinner, sleep.
Excellent.
Thank you, Emma.
You're welcome, Leo. Now, dear listener, let's talk together. Hello. How are you? What day is today? What do you eat for breakfast? Great job.
You can speak English.
Yes, you can. Remember, practice every day. Say hello to your friends, count numbers, name objects, and talk about your day.
Practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you, listeners.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.